Growing up in the city, I never realized how dark the sky could be. Then I spent a night at Assateague National Seashore. I'll always remember seeing every single star in the sky. They were the same stars my ancestors looked upon. That night was so quiet. There I found the precious, beautiful solitude of our parks.